Hello and welcome to the Enduring Gardener. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a tiny cluttered space like this into a spacious small garden. It's a difficult site, so first off let's get an idea of the space and the slopes. So we've done the measuring up, we've got an idea of the size and the shape of the area and the fall on the site. It's sloping in two directions, which is a bit of a challenge, but I've got a couple of ideas I'm going to share with you of how to tidy that up and deal with those sloping areas. So let's get to work. Well, as you can see, I've been busy. The old compost heaps have gone, the trellising has gone, and the honeysuckles come out. But this area here still has some challenges. It's sloping from the fence down to the shed, so I'm going to get that level and put in some raised beds on this side. It's an awkward space that tapers, so my idea is not to put a straight line of raised beds in there, but to put them at an angle facing you as you walk in, and we'll get a basic idea of what that will look like by laying some canes on the ground and working out the size of those beds. And once you're happy with it, you can essentially set it in stone, or wood if you prefer, and I've chosen oak because it helps tie this area in with the existing cedar shed. And what a difference. The site's been landscaped, creating two different levels. We've got the composting area higher up, which is at a handy seating height. And on this side, we've overcome the slope in this direction with the raised beds. But what's really clever about setting these at an angle is it elongates the space. The eye is drawn across the diagonal, making it look much bigger. Well, the flags are down and they've been laid at the same angle as the raised beds. And as you start to add some green, things start to come together. And there's a bit of a theme going on here, and I'm thinking jungle. It might be autumn, the leaves are turning, the plants are past their best, but it's a great time for getting the plants in. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if so, and subscribe below for more videos like this.